In today's video, we are going to cover how to use bank rules for vendors in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and go to the Accounting menu. From there, select Rules. This opens the area where bank rules are managed for your connected transactions. Once you are on the Rules page, click New Rule to start creating one for a vendor. You will now set up the main details of the rule. Start by entering a rule name. Use a name that helps you recognize what the rule is for when you review it later. After that, select the bank account the rule should apply to. Make sure you choose the correct account before continuing, especially if you work with more than one bank or credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Next, choose whether the rule applies to money in or money out. For vendor transactions, this will usually be money out, since these are commonly expenses or payments leaving the account. After selecting the transaction direction, add the conditions that QuickBooks will use to identify the vendor's transactions. These conditions are what tell the rule which bank entries it should match. Enter the details that reflect how those transactions appear in your bank feed so the rule can recognize them consistently. Once the conditions are in place, move to the part of the rule where you assign the transaction details. Set the transaction type to expense. This tells QuickBooks how to record the matched item when the rule is applied. Then choose the appropriate category for the vendor transaction. The category should match the type of expense you want recorded for these entries. After the category, go to the Payee field and select the vendor. This links the rule to the correct vendor record in QuickBooks Online. If you are reviewing multiple similar transactions in your bank feed, assigning the vendor here helps keep those records consistent when the rule runs. Before saving, review the rule settings carefully. Check the rule name, the selected bank account, whether it is set to money in or money out, the conditions, the transaction type, the category, and the vendor in the Payee field. This quick review helps confirm that the rule is targeting the right transactions and assigning the details you expect. If you want to confirm how the rule behaves before you save it, click Test Rule. This gives you a chance to see whether the rule identifies the transactions you had in mind. If the results do not look right, adjust the settings and review them again. When everything looks correct, click Save. The new bank rule will then be stored in QuickBooks Online and ready to apply when matching vendor transactions appear in the selected bank account. Your vendor bank rule is now saved in QuickBooks Online with the selected account, conditions, category, and payee assigned.